Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using bulky vacuum cleaners that are hard to maneuver and noisy to operate? Look no further than the hard floor vacuum car vacuum cleaner from WAGNUS, a top-rated and portable solution for all your cleaning needs. This powerful device can be used to clean a variety of surfaces, from stairs and window sills to sofas and cars, making it an essential tool for any household. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the key benefits of the WAGNUS hard floor vacuum car vacuum cleaner is its strong suction power, which can absorb all kinds of debris, from coins and soot to water stains, leaving your surfaces clean and spotless. The multi-purpose accessories, including a variety of brush heads, allow you to clean every corner of your car, from the seat gaps to the floor mats and trunk. The automatic adjustment motor ensures long-term use without overheating, providing good stability and reliability. Additionally, the low noise operation, thanks to the double noise reduction feature, makes vacuuming a quiet and convenient experience. You can feel the smooth texture of your clean floors and surfaces, and hear the minimal sound of the vacuum as it glides across the floor. This product is better than others on the market because of its portability, versatility, and powerful suction. Whether you're cleaning your car, RV, or home, the WAGNUS hard floor vacuum car vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution. With its ability to meet various household cleaning needs, it's no wonder this product is well reviewed and popular among customers. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner that can handle all your cleaning needs, look no further than the WAGNUS hard floor vacuum car vacuum cleaner, a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their home and car clean and tidy. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.